If you have been looking for something to do with your leftover Ankara material and you haven't gotten yet, I think this is the right one for you to try out. A yard can serve the same purpose as this, so let's start by grabbing the material down. Once the material is being divided into two, look for the center and give it a beautiful knot there. Then after knotting, you are going to arrange it and make sure the remaining parts are of the same size, like the same length. Now place on your edge gently like this and direct excess backward, laying them down neatly. Now look for the excess at the back like this, and you're going to find a way to get it secured, like either you knot it or you find a way to secure it neatly. Take note of that neatly. So once that is being secured, now we move to the front and go into the hole there. Dip your hand into it and stretch out the material you have in there. I mean the excess material. Do that gently and you're going to arrive at this shape at the front. And trust me, this is good enough for you to rock as a person who loves sharp 10, and it is so seamless. Now, I'm waiting patiently for you to drop my thank you in the comment. Thanks.